Hi ma'am, first of all, I want to introduce you 4 members in our group. Number 1 is Astrid Ivani Cantika. Number 2 is Gabriela Cantika Agnes Christine. Number 3 is Jenny Natania Judita. And number 4 is me, Lisa Evelyn Gwen Ermelia. And this project, we're gonna show you the recipe and how to cook Tumis Tahu and Cambah. So, the first thing is,
the ingredients are tofu, sprout, egg, shallots, garlic, flavoring, and salt. The tools are pan, spatula, knife, and placemat.
The first step after we're gonna prepare all of the ingredients that we need is we're gonna cut off all the tofu and we're gonna fry them. Second step is we're gonna peel off the shallot and the garlic. Move to the next step, we're gonna chop all shallot and the garlic into a placemat with a knife. All of the sprout that we need to do this. Moving for the next step, we're gonna break the egg and we're gonna fry them on a pan.
Pour just a little of oil. 7. Saute the onion and garlic until fragrant. 8. After that, add the tofu, sprouts, and eggs. 9. Add salt, soy sauce, and flavorings. 10. Spread the ingredients until cooked.
And that's all our presentation for this recipe, and yeah, we're still learning for this topic, and we know we made a lot of mistakes, and we can wait for your feedback for us so we can do